going to be my 2024 Christmas Kitchen Clean With Me video. Now, if you watched any of my previous videos, you'll know that I usually do the cleaning and the decorating in the same video. But now that Halloween is over and there's a bit of a break before Thanksgiving, I thought I'd go ahead and share how I like to get my kitchen cleaned and ready for the holiday hustle. Definitely our kitchen is the heart of our home, and we will be doing a lot of cooking and baking here. And so I thought I'd share some tips to help make the holiday chaos a little less stressful. Now, although I'm not going to be decorating in this video, I do hope you'll stay through till the end because I plan on putting up my Christmas tree and the lights, so that way on the next video when we do the decorating, all of that will be done for us. So yeah, make sure you stay through to that. Now, if you do enjoy today's video, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of awesome holiday content coming up for you guys. Plus, I would absolutely love to have you join the Home Life family. So without wasting any more time, let's get to work. After clearing out everything, I'm just going to now remove the vent covers off of the hood and put them in the dishwasher. I'm also putting in a dishwashing cleaner. I found this box of Afresh at my local Walmart. That way I'll be taking care of two things at once. So my first tip to getting your kitchen ready for the holidays is to go ahead and organize your pantry. That way you can clear out any expired foods and will also help you figure out what staple items you might need to pick up before the holiday rush. There is nothing worse to me anyways than having to run out last minute for an item that you thought you had, especially when you're probably gonna have a million things to take care of already. I also recommend cleaning all of your holiday plates and utensils. This will ensure that everything is ready and you won't have to worry about it later on. During the holidays, our fridge space becomes really limited, so throwing out any bad foods and empty bottles will help clear out that much needed space to avoid stacking and spilling items. Plus, this will also help you create a grocery list that will keep you from buying things that you might already have. Oven and stove will be getting a lot of use for the holidays, so if you're going to be doing a lot of cooking, I definitely recommend cleaning it all out now to help avoid any oven fires. I also purchased a new steam cleaner to help me out with the tough mess, but this one wasn't any good, so if y'all have any recommendations, let me know in the comments below because I'd love to know. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and stick with my Barkeeper's Friend and water, which I just make into a paste, and it helps get rid of some of these tough stains. But as always, I recommend trying a small spot first because it can be a bit abrasive. In the past, I used to struggle with getting things done like this, so I learned to time myself. And so what I will do is I'll set a timer for 15 minutes, and then I will assign a section. Then I'll challenge myself to see how fast I can get it done. This not only makes cleaning a little bit more fun, but it will help you from getting too overwhelmed as well.
did want to take a quick moment to introduce our beloved dog Max. He is a Black Lab mix and he is responsible for about 80% of all of the sweeping I have to do, but he is such a sweet dog, so I don't mind it too much. We did adopt him from our local shelter and we think he's about 6 years old. He did come into the kitchen while I was cleaning, so I just figured he wanted to say hello. So the last thing left to do is to put up the tree. Now this is my somewhat new kitchen tree. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace last year for only $40. It is 7.5 feet tall, which was a little bit too tall for my kitchen, so my husband had to cut a piece of the bottom off and now it fits. Now what I love about it is that it's a mix of Real Touch and regular branches. Now it is pretty wide, so that's why it's all wrapped up in this plastic wrap. I don't have a bag or a container to store it. Now my theme for this year is going to be what I like to call a Christmas kitchen, and I will share more about that in the next video when we decorate it. But I would love to hear from you guys and find out, one, what size tree do you guys use in your kitchens, and what theme are you going with this year? Alright guys, so the tree is up and it did take me a good 30 to 40 minutes to fluff out all those branches. I did also hope to get the lights strung up on the tree before we finished today, but unfortunately by this point I was just absolutely exhausted and couldn't get it done. But I will make sure that they are up before the next video. But I'm absolutely loving how clean and just organized the kitchen is. I am looking forward and ready for the holidays. And if you are still with me, I did want to take a moment to just say thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. If you did enjoy today's video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.